Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to create the codes in the Zoho CRM via Node.js API. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code for creating the code. So first of all, get this as token. Okay, now in the data you have to pass the subject. Okay, then we have to go with the account name, so replace with your actual account ID. Okay, so here you can see that we have accounts. Okay, so here you can pick any of that and just get the account ID. Okay, after that, contact name, so replace with your actual contact ID. So here we have a contacts, right? So choose any of them and copy this contact ID. After this, we have a deal name. If you want, then you copy and put the deal ID. Then valid till, then the code stage, whether it's to be a draft, delivered, accepted, etc. You have to put over here. Then we have to go with the product details. So product and its ID. So currently we have a products here, and here you can see that we have a product ID. So just copy paste this product ID and paste it over here. The quantity, list price, discount. Okay, subject, terms and conditions and description you have to add. Then call the API of the codes, pass the code data, and here in the authorization put the token over here. Okay, then code created will message will come if the it is created, else give you the error over there, right? Okay, so let's call this function, save this and run this. Okay, so here we can see that node, and here with that the code created success. And if I go to the codes where we have the codes, oh, but I seen the codes over here, it's the codes, and here you can see a code for the web dev services. Here you can see that here we have the code for the web dev services, that's the subject. If I click on it, it's in the draft stage, and here we can just check change will delivered, on hold, confirm, when or what. Okay, code number and accounts and contacts are associated with it are coming over here. Okay, and the rest of the information are coming over here, right? So this is how you are able to create the code using the Node.js API in Zoho CRM. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.